Yo, yo, yo. We're back with the Uncrustables too.
Finally.
Grape jelly for the win.
That strawberry one, the off-brand strawberry peanut butter and jelly one was not it.
Not it at all.
It's
I think
yucky.
it was the Christopher's brand or something like that from Costco. Don't get it. Stick to the Uncrustables grape jelly all day.
Whoa, it's pinstripe. It's clean.
We're looking for like a bunch of things to crop.
Imagine this crop.
This crop would be so nice.
Perfect color.
Yeah. So
I'm excited.
let's see what we can find today.
We got a good one.
Jeep shit is tough. Dang.
Wu-Tang.
My man over here popped the trunk for us on this exclusive.
For the one time.
Yeah, for the one time. Let's see.
One time.
It's that good stuff.
Take your time, bro.
Cool, appreciate it, man.
How much for this one?
That one's 40.
I like the
Dang,
color.
Char's
for
already
this.
finding some good stuff. Not bad.
Color.
It's that exclusive drop in here.
Okay, this
Juventus. Yo, man, my man's just blessed us. He saw us coming. He was like, I'm gonna pop the trunk for you guys.
for the real ones.
For the real
jerseys,
ones, man.
Not the bootleg.
Not the bootlegs. This would have been sick if it was a short sleeve one. This is a long sleeve. All right, what'd you find?
So we have a few things. We have this and this one.
Oh, Manchester. That was a good one.
This one is so cool. I wish it's not an extra large. A small.
Ooh.
And I love how baggy the arms are.
That's what I'm saying.
Wait,
It's
this
like-
is a good one.
Oh,
It
did we
doesn't
find
have
one?
Bad. Too bright.
My guy Luis, you want to say what's up to the vlog?
What's up, guys?
Yeah, my guy Luis hooked it up with the trunk special today. He gonna give us a good deal today. He gonna give us a good deal today. Hey man, if you guys ever come through to the San Diego swap meet, the Vintage Alley, make sure you guys come see my man Luis. Tell him to pop that trunk for you, and let him know Kevin sent you guys. All right. All right, dude. Appreciate you, bro. All right, man. See you next time.
Bye. Take care.
Thank you. What are we saying, guys? Stay classy. Orange, yellow.
World Series.
This one's sick. It has a World Series patch.
I love.
Hey, my man's out here hustling.
I just feel like life's all about enjoying the moments, laughs, good times, like spending it with people you with. And eventually, like, love is like the most powerful thing that we have here. So like just to see where y'all going, where you have a possibility to head to, man, I'm just so happy for y'all.
She says you're my everything. I love you through everything. I done did everything to her. She forgave me for everything. This a forever thing. Hate that I treat it like it's a whatever thing. Trust me, girl, this shit is everything to me. She from the jungle. She from the jungle. I take somebody else's car. Ride it undercover.
Dragon body
This
comes
shit is
to
everything
there.
to me. This shit is everything. Don't know where we stand. I used to hit you about everything. Oh.
spend damn near $3,000 to upgrade my PC. Yo, I only went in because my Premiere Pro was starting to slow down a little bit. I thought we just had to upgrade the RAM a little bit, but dude, we ended up upgrading so many parts.
Yep, that's what happens.
Literally was expecting to pay $1,000, $1,500 max. Bro, the graphics card or the video card in itself was $1,000.
$1,000.
Oh my god.
Everything else went $500, $200.
Yo, nobody talks to me for the next 3, 4, 6 months. I don't know, dude. I'm just gonna be making YouTube videos because I need to make my money back, man. I'm gonna start editing 8K videos just because. Just because. I don't even care.
You're gonna be able to.
Yeah, I don't even care at this point. I'm just gonna start editing 8K. Just doing stupid shit for no reason. So yeah, we just dropped off the computer. The guy told us it was gonna take 4 hours to build. It is what it is. I'm not gonna think about it. just gonna carry on for the rest of the day.
Right now, we're actually getting matcha and the Dubai chocolates.
The viral Dubai chocolate.
Yeah, the pistachio. How do you say it? Pistachio chocolate bar. They look very interesting. They're huge too.
They're hefty little things.
They're hefty and they look so good.
To me, it looks like it's grass on the inside. I don't know.
It
looks like grass, but we'll see if it's good or not. I don't know. We're gonna see if it's good.
You want to open right now?
That looks so good. Yo, shout outs to Matcha Mum for all the goodies. This bar is hefty, bro. Hefty.
It's a 10-ounce chocolate bar.
Look at this. Look at the size of my hand compared to it. It's huge.
But first, let us try all the yummy matchas that she has.
So I got a iced strawberry matcha latte with a white chocolate crackle. The cup is coated in a white chocolate, which I'm gonna crack for you guys in a little bit.
I'm excited to try that one.
Yo.
And then I got the matcha and sugarcane drink.
And that one is actually a pistachio latte with oat milk. I don't know if you guys have been seeing this on Instagram and TikTok too, but yo, you ready? Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. That looks so good. All right, let's give it a little shake.
Okay, you try that.
Cheers.
I've never had matcha and sugarcane together.
The matcha in here is actually very good. You know how sometimes when you go to matcha places and the matcha is not very matcha-y? This matcha is actually matcha-y.
Also, you guys, just FYI, you can actually customize your matcha level. So I think we got level 2.
We got level 2. Both of these are level 2. Level 3 was too crazy for me. Level 2.
I was gonna do level 3
yeah,
low-key, but today it's a midday. It's a midday pick-me-up for us. And I think this is perfect.
This is fire. I like this one. I already love sugarcane drinks, so sugarcane and matcha. I'm gonna give it a 9.5 out of 10. I like that one a lot.
Me too.
I'm gonna give mine I think a 9 out of 10. She already pre-warned me that the white chocolate doesn't do very much for the drink. The strawberry in it's really good though.
Yeah.
And then you want to try this one?
Okay, so lastly,
this jam I'm excited to try though in a little bit, as soon as we finish this drink.
Lastly, we got the pistachio latte.
What does it taste like?
That works.
What? Let's see.
Actually.
Wow. Pistachio.
Yeah, but in a good way. And I feel like the matcha kind of grounds it. And it's so creamy. I might actually like this one more than the strawberry.
Not gonna lie, I kind of like that one. It gives it more of a nuttiness to it, but also creaminess to it in a way. Yeah.
Like a good creamy balance.
Nutty and creamy.
Oh wow.
Oh, hey yo, that's crazy. What are you giving that?
8.5 for me.
I'll give this one a 9 out of 10 too. I like this one a lot though. But yo, this is what you guys came to see. This is what you guys are here for. So crack it open, babe. Look at that thing. That thing is a good pound. I don't know, half a pound. A pound is thick. She's thick. 2 C's, y'all.
Look at that. All right, guys, are you ready?
I'm ready.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my goodness. Yo, that looks crazy.
That?
Oh.
She looks lovely.
She's thick, bro. Like I said, 2 C's. Are we doing 1/2 each?
Yes.
This is crazy. Look,
you guys.
At that. It's crazy.
You got ready.
All right, cheers.
I'm excited.
Let's see what the hype is all about. Here we go. First bite. Oh my god.
What is that?
Wow. Yo, I get the hype now. I get it. I totally get it.
Yeah, Kev was doubting this thing.
I know I said the inside looks like grass, and it still does, but
Yeah.
it does
Oh my
not
God.
taste like it. Like, I don't even know how to explain the inside to you guys. Like, it's like soft and creamy on the
It's
inside.
crunchy.
And it's crunchy.
Creamy. Oh my God, what is that? I can't stop.
I know, it's like addicting. This is a fat bar. I could eat this whole thing right now, but I probably should not. Like, look at this. You guys see this? All this pistachio, all this ground pistachio. I don't know what it is exactly, but with ground pistachio and whatever, or just straight up pistachio, but that's fire. I honestly didn't get the hype when we've been seeing it all over like social media, but I get it now. I get it.
Like viral for what? And then like when you open it, it doesn't really look that appetizing. But girl, she's a 10 out of 10. Shout out to Asia. Oh, I'm excited to see the growth.
We actually still have to go get some food.
Yeah.
We have not eaten anything yet all day, and
It's time for real food. For
I am
some real
freaking
food.
hungry, yo. So we'll catch you guys in a little bit, all right? Cheers. Bow.
Did you hear that punch? Okay. Love at first sight.
Banh Khot?
Banh Khot.
Somebody correct me if I'm saying it
Yeah, but these are like up here.
wrong. Oh man. All right. My first bite. Cheers. Bro. Wow, that chili is spicy.
It's spicy, but it's good.
Mhm.
Spicy. I'm in heaven.
Yo, we've just been trying a bunch of new food lately. I don't know. I don't know. I like it though.
We're in a good roll.
All right, cheers.
Cheers.
Damn, that crunchiness is crazy. I'm so glad we got our own plate. I almost wanted to share with Char, but
I'm not sharing.
yeah, at this point I'm not sharing either. It's so good.
And we got this dish.
It looks like taro. You guys see the purple in there?
Yeah.
It's kind of like turnip cake, but taro maybe. And there's egg too.
Reminds me of home.
Mm-hmm.
Specifically, Kev's home.
See that with the egg?
With the egg, it's fire.
Cheers.
I love the crispiness.
I was just gonna say, they know how to fry here so good. I kind of want to take some home. Because we don't have anything like this in San Diego. Unless we do. If we do, you guys let me know if we do.
The ones I see back home are too thick.
Look at this.
This is when I'm the happiest.
Char is a Vietnamese/Chinese lady at heart.
I don't know. I can't even explain it to you.
Look how crispy this joint is. Yo, that place was so freaking good.
That was
What is
satisfying.
what is the name? Banh Khot? Banh Khot?
Yeah.
I still don't know
forgot.
how to say it. If you guys know how to pronounce it properly, please do let me know. I think the T is pronounced as a K or like Khot or something like that. But dude, that was the second time that we've had that.
This is the best one.
So good.
Far.
It was so damn crispy and I highly recommend it.
I would go there.
10 out of 10. I want to go back already.
10 out of 10.
I kind of wanted to take some back home, but it would not have been as crispy had we taken it home. But
And they have such a small menu, literally like 4 to 5 dishes, and that is it.
that's how you know. Like the thing that we ate was the name of the actual restaurant.
Yep.
And that's how you know that those kind of places are good, man. And so right now we're actually at the Bead store. Because Char's actually been on her arts and crafts. Let me show you guys real quick. She made this little bead keychain for me last night, and we're trying to find some more like charms and little pendants and stuff so she can add to her little arsenal. So
Counting like the narco, got dope like Pablo, cut throat like Pablo, shot trees with the Draco, on the north got Diego, say hasta luego, we'll be in rapping kilo.
At the bottom of the receipt, you also have a number you can text, so you know you'll be all the way.
oh dang. Let's see. Doesn't look too bad. Oh, and it clears it perfectly. What are we saying? Doesn't look too bad, huh? I think it's a little bit nicer, but I think it's too tall, so we might have to get another like little cabinet or something that's like maybe half the size, so it's not too tall, but I think we'll live with this for now. All right, so we're finally back home. I thought it was going to be a quick and easy upgrade. It definitely was not. And also, if you guys hear me talking about wanting to do another PC upgrade in the next like year or something like that, don't let me do it. Number one, it's expensive, and I walked in with a budget of like 1,200, like 1,500. I thought that was a lot already. But number two, I have to reconnect all these wires, and it is low-key a pain to have to reconnect all this stuff. And then on top of that, we have to reinstall all the programs and everything. So yeah, it's gonna be a fun night. Oh, and also on top of that, I actually bought another monitor so that I can have a dual monitor setup. But I mean, honestly, this was kind of needed. I had this computer set up pretty much the same way that I had it in the old apartment, except I didn't do any of like the cable management, or I didn't like tuck any of the wires or try and make it as clean as possible. So this is gonna force me to kind of clean up the whole workspace and make it nice again. So no, for real though, look at all these wires. Like I don't even remember where these USBs go. HDMI cable, I don't even know what this power cord is. We got another USB cable, another one here. I don't even know. With the new monitor clamp, this one's not gonna be in the corner anymore. I'm gonna move this over to the center. So like I said, I'm pretty much gonna have to remove this monitor clamp and the hard drive, the external hard drive out, because the monitor clamp is, or the new monitor clamp is actually gonna go in the middle of the table now. So we're pretty much gonna take all this stuff out, like I said, because then I pretty much wanna work with like a clean slate before I even plug the computer back in, because there's no point in plugging the computer in and then having to move all the cables and stuff around again. So it's better to have everything free, and then that way I can plug everything in where it needs to be, and then pretty much after that you just clean up all the wires and, you know, tuck everything away. So y'all wish me luck. Duh, it's backwards. Big dummy.
One eternity later.
We finally got everything set up. Everything's not like fully cleaned up yet, but I've got like 90% of it pretty much down. And so as you guys can see, this is what the setup is going to pretty much end up looking like. The dual monitors, again, these are the LG 34-inch ultra-wide curved monitors. I still need to add some LEDs to the top one here, but I had the existing ones in the old monitor already, and so I don't think it looks pretty bad. But dude, it has been, when I say stressful, I'm not even kidding when I say like
depressed, stressful.
And it legit has been very depressing. Like, you know the saying, if it ain't broke, don't fix it? Did I regret it at one point? Maybe a little bit, because I totally overlooked the fact that like trying to configure the computer back to exactly how I had it. And then along the whole process while doing this, I ran into like 3 different issues. Number one, the second monitor wasn't working because, I tried to daisy chain the second monitor to the first monitor. And unfortunately, because there's no in and out on both monitors, it didn't work. So I had to plug a DisplayPort cable from the second monitor straight to the graphics card, and it ended up working. My microphone and my speaker was not working properly, and I have a couple projects that I actually need to finish, and so that's why I was stressing. And then, like I said, on top of that, the speaker, before when I would turn it on, it would just auto detect and it would switch directly over to the speaker to like output audio without me having to like go into the settings and change anything. I'm pretty confident that we got it back like 95%. There's probably still a few things here and there that I still need to like mess around with. For the most part, at least I'm able to work. I don't know, dude, not having my PC for the last like 2 days was, like I said, it's been stressful, and I've been thinking about it. I went to the gym this morning and I wasn't even feeling it. The only thing that I could think about was trying to get everything configured right away so that I can start using it again. The dream has always been to have a dual monitor setup where I can have the program monitor or like the timeline separate from the program monitor, because then it just looks a little bit better. Like, look at this, what do you guys think? Fire, right? And then that way it frees up the bottom screen for like the timeline or like whatever else you kind of want to do down here. And also on top of all these upgrades, I actually bought a little headrest for my chair, because obviously I'm going to be like leaning back and looking at the top screen a little bit more, and I don't want to get like stiff neck. I don't want, I just don't want neck problems. So that's why we got this. That was pretty much all the upgrades. Like I said, it's been a crazy last 2 days, but I'm excited to have everything pretty much reset back and up and running properly. And I actually finally did all the cable management. Like I said, it's pretty clean for the most part. Just kind of clean up the back of the PC a little bit, but the floor is clean. The back of the PCs are clean. We're ready to go. I feel like I've been growing like white hairs trying to figure this all out. And I know Char's been feeling it too, huh, babe? I don't know if you guys can hear her, but she said she's been depressed as well because obviously she can feel my energy, just me like moping around and being in the house. And it doesn't help that the last 2 days, like I haven't had a full like 24 hours or like even a full like 12 hours to actually try and figure this out. We've had to like go to birthday parties. There were just festivities that we had to attend. It was nonstop. For me being in the state that I was, I could not stop thinking about my computer and fixing it. What is it called? It's called volcanic obsession. Like that's me to a T. Like anytime I get obsessed with something or if there's something on my mind, I legit can't stop thinking about it until I like fix it or until I get it or whatever, you know. It's just I get obsessed. But now that I've got it all set up, I feel so much better. And so now we can finally get back to work. I'll show you guys all the wires and how I'm running everything tomorrow in the morning, but I think that's pretty much going to be it for the night. It's time to get back to some editing and I will catch you guys later, all right? Peace.